How to find your competition when using PLR. One of the main disadvantages of PLR is that multiple people can be using the same content. That means they could be competing with you for search engine rankings or even for buyers. Because of this fact, it pays to do a little searching to find your competition. In this article, we're going to look at several ways you can do that. The primary resource you're going to use for this is Google Search. You're going to look for other marketers who are using the same PLR as you. If you're dealing with web content like articles, copy a unique sentence from the middle of the content and run an exact match search in Google. That means enclosing the sentence in quotes like this. This will search for other instances of that exact sentence. Always try to use a sentence that wouldn't be found in other articles if you can. For example, if you grabbed a sentence like "I closed the door," it's quite likely it will show up in other content, not just your PLR. If Google returns any results for your search, click through and read the article on those sites to see if it is in fact the same. This same process can be used for a sales page if you're selling an ebook or some other type of info product. Simply copy and paste a unique sentence or maybe a headline from that page and see if Google returns any results. If so, you can click through and see if it is the same product, and if so, what it's being sold for. You can even sign up for that marketer's email list to see how they market it to their list. This can be a great way to get ideas for additional back-end products for your own sales funnel. Another place you can search for competition is Tradebit.com. Tradebit is a marketplace where you can sell your digital products such as ebooks and other info products. Search for the title of the PLR package on there to see if anyone else is selling it. Many marketers selling on Tradebit sell at foolishly low prices, and if that is happening, it's possible your potential customers could find those offers if they search for the title of your product. The best solution for this problem is to customize your product so it isn't immediately recognizable. A new title, new graphics and branding, and so on. That way, nobody will be able to find a cheaper competitor because as far as they're concerned, you're the only one selling it.